Alright, today we're going to be working with two standards. We're going to be asking and answering questions to demonstrate understanding of a text, referring back to the text for the answers, and we're going to be determining the main idea of a text, recounting those key details, and explaining how they support the main idea. So today we're going to be looking at, we're going to start off by looking at just these pictures on this slideshow, okay? So as we're looking at these pictures of this animal, I want you to be thinking to yourself, what do you see? What do you notice? What do you think this is mostly about? And what is the main idea? All right, so I'm going to click through here. And I want you to go ahead and in your mind think about, what did you see? What did you notice? What do you think it's mostly about? And what's the main idea of this? All right, so I'll click through one more time. All right, so we're going to kind of think more on this. What I see is, it looks like a very colorful animal that's in the ocean maybe. The things that I notice blue on it. I notice it has a bunch of legs. I notice it's underwater. And what do I think it's mostly about? I think it's going to be, today we're going to be learning information about this particular animal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a video, and we're going to be answering these same questions, all right? So we're going to watch a video, but there's not going to be any sound the first time we watch it. So right now I want you to watch, and I'm going to take these questions and see if I can put them on a sticky note, that way we can see them. While we are watching. All right, so I'm going to go and play. And there are questions right there. So think about, as the video goes without sound this time, what do you see? Right now I'm seeing that there's freaky creatures, so I'm thinking it's going to be about something that's kind of a freaky animal. I see this in the ocean. I notice some fish and reefs. Alright, so there I just saw the same animal that was above. Now I'm seeing a peacock, so I'm thinking that they might be related. So it's called a peacock mantis shrimp. I saw that it was kind of similar to that peacock bird. Alright, so now that we've seen it without the video, I want to remind you how nonfiction readers think about the main idea by asking, what is this mostly about? One way to do this is to write down what you think is the main idea based on the photographs, the graphics, the subtitles, headings, and once you do this, you can go back to the text to find the facts that support that idea. Then you can check to see if the author states the main idea in a heading, a topic, sentence, introduction, or through words. And then finally, you can ask, do most details support this idea? So we're going to watch the video again, this time with sound. Also, I see a kind of a heading right here, shrimp packs a powerful punch. I see eyes on the prize, shrimp smackdown, peacock mantis shrimp. So all those are kind of giving me ideas. Again, we're going to be thinking about these questions right here. What do you see? What do you notice? What do you think this is mostly about? And what is the main idea? So this time we're going to actually watch it with sound. Turn the sound on.
What a beautiful place, Mother Nature.
Thanks. I'm proud of the colors and creatures here.
Do you have a favorite?
I love everything under the sea equally. But there is one that's truly unique. The peacock mantis shrimp.
What is that?
It's a brightly colored crustacean with folded claws. Beautiful and deadly.
Ooh, I'd better keep an eye on this one.
Alright, so this time, I saw this the first time, but now it's actually telling me some information about this peacock mantis shrimp. It said that, I'm going to go back, I think it said that it was deadly, it's colorful.
Ooh, I'd better keep an eye on this one.
Actually, these bright beauties can keep an eye on you and watch for their next victim. They can see in 2 directions at once.
Whoa.
It also holds a world record, fastest puncher.
It has fists?
Kind of. It has spring-loaded claws, also known as hammer claws.
That sounds like it would hurt.
It does. When they're not breaking through shells, they're fighting off anyone who enters their home turf.
That is one dangerous, beautiful creature. That's freaky.
Alright, so with the sound on, I gained a lot more information. I'm going to focus right now on what is the main idea. So that's basically, what is it mostly about? So I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to see if I can answer that. So what is the main idea? I think that the main idea is going to be that peacock, mantis, shrimp are unique. And in that video, I did see several things that kind of supported that. I'm also going to be looking back through here to see if any of this information tells me anything. Let's see. This right here, springing out of its club-like front claws, that was very unique. I'm also thinking back to the video, and also in my text, I see a rainbow-colored crustacean skitters along the ocean floor, the rainbow color. So that's very unique. So I'm going to type a few things that I both saw in the text and that I saw. So here are some of those details. They are beautiful and deadly. Something else that I thought was really interesting is that they could see in different directions. I also heard it say that they were the fastest puncher. I wouldn't think that a shrimp would be like the fastest puncher, but that's very unique. So it's the fastest puncher. And then something else that I thought was interesting or unique was the spring-loaded claws. And then also what I have highlighted right here, they're rainbow colored. That's pretty unique. So, what you are going to be doing now is doing the same thing that I have done. You are going to choose an animal of your own from this website, and you're going to go through, you're going to read about it, and you are going to tell me what is the main idea. For this one, my main idea was that peacock mantis shrimp are unique, and then also you're going to be listing some details. So my details were that they're beautiful and deadly, they see in different directions, they're the fastest puncher, they have spring-loaded claws, and they're rainbow colored. All of those support my main idea. So how you are going to do that, I'm going to provide a link to you, which is going to bring you up to this right here, and then you're going to click on animals, and you're going to go through, and you're going to choose one. So for example, let's say I chose reptiles, and let it load. Once you go to reptiles, so let's say you want to do the American alligator. Click on American alligator, and then read about it. I don't want you choosing one that only has a video. This one, for example, has a slideshow. It has some text, and I don't know if it has, it looks like it has a video as well. So this one has slideshow, like the one where we did. It has text and it has a video. So I want you to find something that has at least text and a slideshow. It has a video as well. That's great. And then you're going to be posting on your discussion post to show your main idea of the text that you read and your details.